Welcome to my channel, Beautifying MZ, where we do unboxings, challenges, and reviews. Today, we will be doing the unboxing for BoxyCharm Luxe. To find out what's in this box, stay tuned. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Mary. Today we will be doing the unboxing for BoxyCharm Luxe. If you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a subscription, a beauty subscription that has 3 different tiers. The first tier is the base box, which is $25 per month. That has 5 to 6 full-size items. The next tier is the premium box, and that has, I believe it's 6 to 7 full-size items, and that is $35 per month. And then we have Boxy Luxe, and Boxy Luxe is what we will be unboxing today. This is not a monthly subscription box. This is actually a quarterly subscription box, and it is beauty and lifestyle. This is $50 per month, $49.99. And it does come with 7 to 8, I believe, or 8 to 9, I'm sorry, full-size items. So let's go ahead and dive in, find out what we have. Like it when we get the card, it does give us a little bit of a description of what is in the box, as well as the prices for that. And this month it is Glam Vibes Only. It's a pretty card. So let's go ahead and start with our first item. Okay, and it is actually Persona. It's actually pretty soft. So it says it's a highlight and blush brush. So we'll see how that performs at a later time. Okay, and this brush is, go ahead and find it in here. And that's actually $24. And the next item in here is a brand that I'm pretty familiar with. I do have several items, and it is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And this is actually a highlighter, and the shades are Ginger Binge, and I will have to put on my glasses for this next one. Moscow Mule. Okay, let's take a look at this. I do like the packaging. And this is what this one looks like. Here we go. It's actually a very pretty coppery type shade. Not bad. They are very, very shimmery. Not a bad deal for a highlighter. Valued at $38. And they are very pigmented, so I really love the Fenty Beauty line. It is a very good quality brand. Let's go ahead and start with the next one. And it's actually one of the choices that I made. On the Boxy Luxe beauty box, you do have the option for 2 choices. So you can select 2 of your products, or you can have BoxyCharm select them for you. Either way, I prefer to select at least 2 of the products, so I know 2 of the things that I will be receiving. And this is something, I'm not going to open it just yet. I did receive this in a different subscription box, but it was a sample size, a deluxe sample size. I love it. Okay, and it's actually the Atmosphere Protection Cream. Perfect Take Everywhere Moisturizer. It's a lightweight formula, which is what I have experienced with it. It provides a barrier protection against extreme climates and wind and air pollution. Antioxidant rich, oils and organic seaweed. Firm the skin and leave a silky finish, ideal primer for makeup. This is actually $48. And I can tell you it is very well worth the $48. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item. And the next item is actually something I also chose. And this is the Biro Tomato Serum. This is what it looks like. And I am very excited to try this serum. I will have to wait until I do finish at least one of the ones that I have open at the moment, so that I don't get the clock started on that. This is actually $150, and it says that it is a serum, a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptides. It says it transforms your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself, while importing a healthy, luminous glow. I want to see if that is exactly what it does. For the price, I hope it does. And the next item in here, this is what it looks like. And I'm actually looking forward to it. I did read up a little bit on some of it. I do watch the spoilers, so maybe not something I should do. And it is a body wash, so it's a soap. I'm not quite sure. It's a familiar scent. And it says it is a calming and cleaning Epsom salt hand and body wash for after the gym. That's what it talks about, so I'm looking forward to using it after the gym. And that is $39.95. Okay, and the next item is a Teamy. Let me take a look at that. It's a Teamy tumbler on the go. So it's a tumbler. Like I said, the Luxe box is a beauty and lifestyle subscription box. So sometimes you do receive items such as this we're looking at. But I'm looking forward to it. It says it keeps it warm for up to 4 hours. It has a leaf strainer, a plastic lining, a wrist strap, outer shell, storage compartment, and the lid pops open. So you can take your drink and snap it shut to prevent it from leaking. Really looking forward to using it for my teas. Here we go. And palette. I'm always happy to receive a palette, and it is one of the ones that I wanted. So Hip Dot is the palette that I received. There were several that were available for that, for this subscription, but this is what it looks like. These shades are amazing, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Wow. And that is what we have. This is a gorgeous palette that I am going to have a lot of fun creating looks for. Once again, this is what she looks like. And it is 15 shades. Not mad about that. Not at all. And let's go ahead and dive into, it is the last item in the box. And let me take a look. It is 5 masks, and this is what these look like. The 111 skin. I actually love the 111 skin. I have several products of this brand and I love it. This mask, however, I have been wanting to try it, had not had the opportunity, and I will show you why. And I will catch up with the rest of the prices that I did forget, but let's go with the mask first. And that mask is a gold brightening facial treatment mask. It is 5 masks that come in it. It is the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. And that is $135 for 5 masks. $135. I'm gonna love them. I cannot repurchase them, but definitely love that I received them in a box. $50 for the box. And this set of masks, 5 masks, $135. That more than pays for the whole box. Okay, then we have the ones that I did forget to mention the prices on, which is the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette, and that is $30. And the Teamy Blends is $24.99 for the cup, and that's pretty standard for something that holds either hot or cold drinks for several hours. So that's a reasonable price for that. Well, that concludes the whole box. Is it worth it? Oh, absolutely. A serum, $150. A body wash, $39.95. We have the moisturizing cream, the hydrating cream, that also protects against the environment, and that was $48. So this alone was $1 shy of the cost of the box. Everything else pretty much free. So if you do like what you see, if you are interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm, I will link my link for BoxyCharm down below. I will also be linking my handle for Instagram. I do several reviews. I do makeup looks, eye looks. Mostly eye looks is what I go for. So follow me out on Instagram. That's a great place to catch up on a little bit more of what I do. But I'm loving this box. I absolutely, this month I'm super excited. I will be receiving my other boxes. Once I do receive them, I will upload videos for those as well, the unboxings. If there's something that you would like to see that you did not see today, please comment down below so that I may take a look and see if it's something that I'm able to do. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe down below as well. Select the subscribe button. Also, click on the bell. The bell will give you the option for all, and that will give you notifications that there are new videos that I've uploaded so that you don't miss another video. And also, if you do like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. That does help me tremendously. And it looks like that is pretty much it for today. So y'all have a blessed day. Until next video, smile always. See you later. Bye.